Hi, I am Michael Newfer. I work on the market development team here at Biamp, and what I'd like to do is talk about some of the new things we've introduced this year at InfoComm. What I'd like to start with here is the Evoko Kleeo. This is our desk manager. You can simply walk up to the device, book the space that you'd like, and your desk is then booked. All of this information is talking back to Biamp Workplace. That is the cloud ecosystem that we house all of our data and information with Biamp Workplace. But the Kleeo here was product number 1 in Biamp Workplace. Up top, we also see the NASO Room Manager. This was product number 2 in Biamp Workplace. Here we introduced on the NASO Room Manager the ability to actually see bookings for the future. So you can now walk up to the panel, you can see bookings about a week in advance, and I can find available times within specific days if I would like to book that room. I encourage everybody to come by the Biamp booth here. We have a lot of new Biamp Workplace things going on, a ton of Tessera stuff involved now with our amplifiers and other products in the Biamp product lineup. Come talk to me, come grab somebody here at InfoComm. If you don't see us, check out our website at www.biamp.com. Thank you.